Bachelor Gulch is a Four Seasons resort community. We've got ski in, ski out in the winter. We've got wonderful golfing in the summer. It's a planned gated community where families can come and enjoy quality time together, taking in the views. If you're looking for your mountain getaway for your family and friends, this is your opportunity. While the exterior really embellishes the lodge-like setting, the interior is very current, mountain modern type finish. The home is situated on over 3.5 acres and consists of 7 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. It really has something for everyone. Multiple bunk rooms, master suites, a wine room, massage room, exercise room. It's a great home to entertain in, whether it's small, intimate gatherings in the theater room or large gatherings in the expansive living areas. So I think the next owner of this home is going to be somebody that has some family and friends that they want to bring together, cool off and enjoy the outdoors. The summers here are just as popular as the winters. If you're looking for a 4-season mountain getaway, this is your opportunity as a buyer to set your own value on a magnificent home within the gates of Bachelor Gulch community.